Guys, the crypto market is still in a state of indecision, and as you can see that we are still on the red side. We haven't had much of a pump on the market. You can see that a lot of tokens, a lot of altcoins are still on the red with a kind of a few altcoins on the green with River as the highest gainer of the top 100 cryptocurrency. So we see on the red as the market is in a state of indecision. But today we are going to be taking a look at BTC from the weekly level. We're going to be taking a look at uh, the BTC versus other altcoins, and we're still going to be taking a look at gold. So first of all, let me take a look at BTC before comparing it to other altcoins from the others versus BTC market cap. So now looking at BTC right now, we can see that we are extremely oversold on the macro level. As you can see that I'll be hinting about this support level right here, this support level, and which is a crucial support level. And why do I say so? Because if you look at the stochastic arrays, as you can see that we've been oversold for a pretty long time since 22nd or 29th of September. We'll be ranging in between these oversold region. So right now we're seeing a little bit of a shift as we printed last week a a shooting star candlestick which indicates that buyer are about to step into the market. And right now we are kind of creating an engulfing candle engulfing last week plus the upper week candlestick. So what does this tell me? Now it tells me that buyers are already looking forward to enter into the market. But the thing right here is that the most important thing is that we should close this candlestick bullish. Of course, this candlestick bullish engulfing this previous day candlestick, we could see at least a break towards this resistance trend line. But if we see a break towards this resistance trend line, it means we could consolidate a little bit on this level before we see an actual break towards the upside. So this is my prediction for Bitcoin on the weekly time. So we don't want to see kind of a reversal or a deviation into this blue support trend line we'll be holding right on the way from right on the way from um I think we'll be holding this blue trend line from October 2023. So that is what I'm currently looking at for Bitcoin right now. We're currently oversold and the market is wanting to reverse to the upside. So we need to act fast and also need to wait for confirmation before going all in on the crypto market, because I think this season we're going to see a massive pump on the market, most especially for altcoins. Now, comparing Bitcoin to gold right now, you can see that Bitcoin is at the bottom right here, but gold is extremely overbought right now. So I'll be talking about this gold analysis that we might actually see a rejection on gold because we have been breaking highs. So I talked about this on my previous video, so you could go down, click on my channel and go and watch the previous video. That's what I said, that we're going to see we're about to see a reversal on gold pretty soon because looking at the stochastic RSI, we are currently uh overbought right now, and there is giving us charts and the indicators are giving us signal to actually sell the market. And what did we see last week? We saw price did not close above 5,400, or even this week right here we saw a bearish candlestick close, and right now we're seeing another bearish candlestick. So if this week candlestick engulf this previous week, then we could slowly see a sell off of gold, then before we could actually see a pump on gold. Because if you look at the Bitcoin versus the gold chart, but actually it actually seems similar. Gold, if gold is overbought while Bitcoin is over. So I think it's about time that profits might be taken from gold into the crypto market, into Bitcoin. Therefore, we could actually see a pump on the market. Now, comparing the BTC USD chart versus orders versus D, we could see that we are actually wanting to cross uh, above this level. Now let me show you. Look at, there is, if I zoom out of the chart, you see that there is a lot of upside for altcoins to go. If we are beginning to see an altcoin catch up, then we'll we'll actually see a massive parabolic move in the altcoin market. So first we need a signal for altcoins before we actually looking forward to go aggressive on altcoin. But now it's actually good to kind of dollar costing and slowly buy into your favorite alts, your AI, your gaming, your reward asset tokens, and sometimes even your meme coin, because we are going to get caught off of guard, and that is what the institutions are looking forward to do, to manipulate price, then maybe drive price lower, then we sell our altcoins to them, then before you know, they pump the altcoin market. So for altcoins, this is what I'm currently looking at for BTC. And what I also want to tell you guys is that wait for a confirmation. So if we go down to the daily time frame, now the daily time frame is we're still in the range on the daily time frame, creating a bear flag pattern. And one thing I'm scared about this bear flag pattern is that if there's any possibility we see a rejection and this resistance bear flag, it could go all the way down, thereby altcoins suffering the most. So what we just want for BTC right now is for us to slowly consolidate, move towards the other side. Then we have a final break above this weekly trend. If we see a break above this weekly trend, breaking above this level between $76,000 to $80,000, then eventually we create a higher low. It indicates that price is holding this previous resistance as support. Then upside is actually guaranteed. So that's what I'm actually looking at. Bitcoin for Bitcoin, I'm not looking for to take any trade. I'm just looking for a clear breakout before we actually see a massive bump towards the upside for the daily. So look, moving down to the hourly time frame. The hourly time frame, I usually use the hourly time frame for actually spot trade setups. If you look at the hourly now, we're still in a range. Indecision, markets are not trending, nor becoming bearish. They are just in a range, and what you want to wait for is an actual break in either direction. If we see a break towards the downside, a retest of this previous low as resistance will actually be vital for you to take a short term trade towards the downside. Or if we see a break towards the upside, this level we had as a perfect support for us to buy towards the upside, maybe taking profit around $77,000. So that's what I'm currently looking for Bitcoin. So I have to tell you guys, do trade with due diligence, and also don't forget, do not over leverage, and also don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you find this sort of concept helpful. Peace.